The ruffed grouse, Bonassa umbellus, is a well-camouflaged, chicken-sized bird found in deciduous and mixed forests across northern North America. Known for its distinctive drumming display, the male produces a low-frequency thumping sound by rapidly beating its wings, often while standing on a log to attract mates and establish territory. These birds rely on dense underbrush for cover and feed on buds, leaves, and insects. In winter, they can burrow into snow for insulation. Their feathered legs and cryptic coloration help them survive harsh northern climates.